Alright guys, it's Nosy 30. We winding down. Getting ready to close actually. But I think my man back here, the trim guy, I think he back here doing some whoa. Let's see what he's up to. Typical 3/6 printer stop. Whoa! What is my man over here doing? Oh, another one of those dash panels, guys. Obviously we have a problem with I think the sun get on these panels and cook them. That's why a lot of people put those protectors on their dash. But look how, well, you have no choice but to remove the whole, I don't know. Yes, this is the new one. No, this is the old one. Look how it's spelling, guys. Wow. Whoa, look at that. So, is FCA paying for this? I think this is a recall. I think. Don't quote me, 'cause I could be wrong. But look at that, guy. Oh, so you see that? You get a whole new. Now, how do you prevent that? Or when they build this, how do they make it to where it don't? We used to have these problems back in the day a lot. But the solution is the simple. Replace the whole freaking panel, which is what he's doing right here. See, yeah, he obviously done transferred. It's a couple things you got to transfer, guys. These AC duct panels, and I think that's part of the airbag. So yeah, he already got that out. So it comes with a housing. I haven't yet to do one. I think this is a recall. Don't quote me. But as you can see, the steering wheel and everything have to come out. Oh, so you bring all of this out, and then you separate the panel from the frame, I want to say. So you got the whole entertainment system out, guys. Yes, you have to be from a certain breed to enjoy doing something like this. I do not. I mean, if I had to, like, here, I need you to do this recall. I hope you got a lot of time, and I hope they not waiting. You know, I don't know, Tom, Heller, y'all doing these? I still yet to be 100%. Y'all go to RO. Let me see if this is a recall or just a regular repair. Because the Jeep is not that old, guys. You look at it, it's really not that old, but yeah, here's the whole complete entertainment system. The cluster, you name it, the whole 9 yards. So let's now, is this a recall? Customer states dash panel coming apart. No, guys, this is CP. This is a regular customer complaint. Yes, so not sure what he tried to get labor. And from all I know, guys, once Chrysler get a hold of it, they would sometime take care of the customer, guys. On contrary to what you may believe, Chrysler will take care of its customers, guys, especially if they deem it their fault. And I know a lot of you guys are gonna, well, what about my ticking? Guys, and I was just about to say something crazy too. Recalls are essentially safety issues. There's nothing unsafe about a warped dash pad, okay, or a dash pad that's coming apart. That's not unsafe. However, it's ugly. The appearance of it is ugly, and sometimes, like I say, Chrysler will help you. Now, there's some things out here I didn't know, so I'm glad this is exposed. Like AC mode door operation. Here go. These look like blend. Now the doors are basically the same. Now where they located will differentiate. Just say this one. It's connected to the recirc housing, so obviously that's a recirc actuator. But I guarantee it's the same part number as this. So these are likely blend door and the mode door likely on that side. Like I say, they probably the same part number, but depending on their location would dictate where. This is likely a dual mode door, meaning independent sides. Like this one may do the right passenger, that one may do the driver. But at any rate, this is a lot of work. Similar to doing if you have to do an evaporator or heater core, you know, you got to take the dash pad out. So I've done a bunch of evaporator core. So nothing totally out of the ordinary. Oh, he getting ready to assemble it, guys. I think I caught him. Good, I want to see what my man up to. Hey, where'd I go? Come on, man. That's how they go on there?
Take it off. I should know where I go back on, I hope. I pray to God I know where I go back on.
So, oh, you did have to transfer the airbag and all that. Yeah, that was right. Hey, this warranty? Is it a recall on this? It's a recall? Oh, it didn't say recall on the ticket. It just say dash pad coming apart. Recalls are safety issues. I can't be telling people.
That's a safety. If the dash pad is not, the structure is not hard enough, when the airbag come out, then it throws the whole dashboard out.
That makes it a safety issue.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now you see why
So, back to what I said, there's nothing unsafe about the appearance. It's, I hope y'all caught what he said, because I can't remember exactly what he said, but it's like a puzzle from here, ain't it? Put everything back. Put the screws back in. And then take all of this and go to the car. They pay good? 4 point. Anything that's paid 4 hours on the warranty, to me is like hard. Gotta be hard, because they don't give away money. You just make it look easy. Alright, guys. Now, it didn't say on the RO, but like I said, I think once the customer get in Chrysler ear, it will become a warranty, sort of like recall warranty, basically. Alright. So, I'm not ready, though. No. See, he got the whole shifter. Wow. So, obviously, he's done a few of these. He got everything out, guys. I wouldn't even... Like, if he, God forbid, had emergency, go to the hospital tonight, and he don't make it to work in the morning, and customer, I need my car now. And they come up to me and say, JT, we need you to put it back together. Sorry, I couldn't pull it off. Who's that, Eric? So, well, guys, I have exhausted my whole entire nosy 30 hours on this vehicle. So that's all I have, man. I appreciate you guys watching, man. Y'all know how we do. So I guess you gotta turn the old one in. I don't know what you can do with an old dash pad anyway. I can't take it to the scrap yard and make no money on it. However, I can take this stuff over here. Look at me getting off track. I see $20, $30 right there. Maybe 20, maybe 45, maybe 20. Y'all thinking what I'm thinking? Is y'all thinking what I'm thinking? I'm tripping, guys. That's all I have. Hey, see, here's another one. So, yeah, he back here doing these left and right, guys. This is not even, he just did one on this one. Did this come apart in the same location? Sure it did. All right, so he can have them all then. Guys, that's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video. So long, buddy. Have fun.